Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Engineering Genius. In today's video, I will explain how I escaped from Singapore job scam recently. There are thousands of job scams happening daily in India. So I made this video to help yourself to avoid such job scams. Few weeks back, I got an email and call from Elite Global Staffing Consultancy from UP for the field telecom engineer in Singapore. Now I will tell you how I got escaped from this huge job scam. This was a professional email from Elite Global Staffing on behalf of Tharaya Telecommunications Company in Singapore. The position was for Singapore location. They were offering 7,500 to 8,500 Singapore dollars per month salary. They were offering 35 to 40 days of leave which can be taken 3 times a year. Just I had to pay 3,250 INR as a consultancy fees to them. The email was from company domain. After 2 days, they arranged my interview and asked me to pay INR 3,250 for the consultancy fees. They provided company current account, so I paid. They arranged a telephonic interview from Singapore through their server. So I did not get the contact number of client. A Chinese guy took my interview and asked me multiple questions related to telecom engineering. The interview took 1 hour to complete. Finally, they provided a draft offer letter through email. The offer was huge. They offered 134,400 Singapore dollars per year, almost 86.5 lakhs INR package. They offered family accommodation, 30 days leave twice a year. Basic salary 8,000 Singapore dollars, 2,000 Singapore dollars for housing, 1,200 Singapore dollars for transportation, and total of 11,200 Singapore dollars per month, that is 7.21 lakhs per month salary. Now the actual scam started. After collecting all documents from my end, they started asking 250 Singapore dollars, that is 15,861 Indian rupees for a medical test. They asked me to deposit this money in another current account of Elite Global Staffing. Being consultant, I know it does not cost 250 Singapore dollars for Singapore medical test. When I asked them, they said once I complete the medical test, they will send the official offer letter. They forced me to pay the medical fees as soon as possible. I asked them to give me 2 days to pay. Meanwhile, I started inquiring with my B2B consultants for Singapore. I found this can be a scam. I sent one of my friends in Singapore to visit the Tharaya Telecommunication Company and inquire about this opening and job offer. They said there is no such opening. Even I called Tharaya company and asked about an interview from Chinese guy for telecom engineer profile. They said there was no interview conducted from their end. After knowing this was a scam, I emailed Elite team that I can only proceed further upon receiving an offer letter from the employer. And for the medical, I will do it my own. My humble request to all the job seeker, not to fall into these types of job scams and medical scams. If I pay them medical money, they will ask further money by saying that I am medically unfit and need to take some more tests and medicines from their associated doctors. You can watch my previous videos on how to know fake job scams, fake job listings, fake job consultancy, and top 10 abroad consultancies in India. Thank you for watching. Be safe, be smart. Like and subscribe please.